My lovely Pisceans, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Pisceans, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of May 2024. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also, guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Guys, before we begin, just a disclaimer, it's extremely hot here in Pune and my air conditioner is not working, so I have to keep my fan on full mode, and please bear with me with the background noise. I am sure it will be a little annoying this time, but I truly cannot help it, and please accept my apologies in advance. Okay, guys, well, pre-shuffling, Hierophant card jumped as always. Like, that card has been my stalker card throughout this month. I mean, I think I have pulled that card, or that card has rather jumped out for almost each and every sign for during pre-shuffling. Okay, I don't know what it is with it, but yeah, so Hierophant is basically a Tauran energy. It talks about structures or foundations or even marriage. Okay, in your case, with the adjoining cards, the message that I was getting is, for some of you guys, something probably might not work. Okay, because, like, for example, if you are looking for marriage with someone who is from different community altogether. Okay, in your case, the thing is, you have you are very different at foundational level. Okay, you have a lot of basic differences, and that's the reason why things might not be working between you two. And it's the angels were saying that it's best to let go of this. Okay, the chances of things working out are very bleak. Like, from oracle card, the three cards that came out back to back were no, unlikely, and let go. Okay, so very specific message probably for some of you guys, but yeah, that was coming very clearly and strongly. Some of you guys are probably working very hard in on a project, maybe in a team of three people, you know collaborating with different teams, cross functional kind of a work maybe. um, yeah, the team size could be 3 is what I was getting very very strongly. Not many messages were coming through for you guys, Pisceans. So without much ado, let's get started and see what messages we have for your main reading. Okay, new beginnings, yeah. This is okay, but I think we are good, right, over here? Yeah. Let me just shift a bit and place this over here. Yeah. So, guys, your health position is showing up as Ace of Wands, which is a fire sign. Some of you guys might be trying something new when it comes to your health routine or health regime. Okay, new workout probably, like you have probably enrolled yourself to, say, a dance class maybe, or yoga, or power yoga, or trying out some new diet. Okay, like maybe intermittent fasting or keto. Okay, so you are basically experimenting and you are actually enjoying whatever it is that you are doing. Okay, just keep your heat in check, guys. Just keep your body temperature in check. Like I said, there is a lot of heat wave in many parts of India, so make sure that you are keeping yourself very very hydrated, and keeping your body temperature cool, because otherwise you might end up getting heat related problems. Okay, for some of you guys, someone out there might get uh, problem or might be having back pain. Okay, yeah, back pain is what I'm getting. uh, doesn't seem to be anything serious, but maybe you have not slept properly or not slept in a proper position, and that has kind of caused a sprain. So either ways, take care, take the right remedies, take the right precautions on time, otherwise it might aggravate. Okay, yeah, so that is about your health card, guys. We will talk about this card in other respect aspect as well of your energy. Okay, this is kind of taking me to pre-shuffling energy also. Someone out there is working on a new project. Okay, a brand, it's a kickstart of new project is what I'm getting for some of you guys. Maybe you're in that initial phases, wherein you're forming the team and you're planning how to go about it, planning about the logistics maybe. So that's the kind of message I'm getting for someone out there, very very specific. Okay, your current energy is that about karma. Someone out there might be facing his or her karma because this message is repeated twice. There is world card again, which is a very strong indicator of karma. Okay, karmic events, um, some karmic debts being paid, repaired. Okay, over here, the chances are very high that you are experiencing this along with your family. Okay, in totality. So your entire family might be going through some highs and lows right now, and sometimes some situations happen which make us question or wonder like why this is happening, why at all this is happening. The answer is, if at all you're not able to find it right away in this, if nothing is making sense, the answer definitely lies in the past. There are some karmic debts that your soul or your soul family had to pay or repay. So that's the reason why certain things might be happening for you guys. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Make sure you're learning your lessons, because that was the whole intent of your soul to go through whatever it is going through right now. Okay, so please do not forget to learn your lessons, and this will also prevent you from repeating that mistake again. Okay, or repeating similar incidents or attracting similar incidents again. Okay, that's what I'm getting over here. Yeah, the energy crossing is that of King of Wands. Now this is very interesting. Like I said, guys, there is one warning over here, or an alarm that I'm getting over here very very clearly, is that if at all you're dating someone, okay, if you're seeing someone casually, um, this person could be, this person might have an in and out energy. Okay, could be a little flirtatious. There is a high probability that you are not the only person with whom this person is interacting. Ace of Wands, there's a lot of fire. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, either you or your person has this in his or her birth chart. If you are dating virtually, online, be extremely careful, because there is the King of Wands in the blocker or in challenging position really doesn't sound right to me. Okay, in fact I am not at all liking the energy that this card is giving in this position. So make sure that you are being extremely careful, trading extremely carefully, and just be alert is what I'll tell you. Okay, so yeah, because your advice is that there definitely is some sneakiness around, some something is it's there's more than what meets the eye. Okay, that kind of a situation. So this person might not be as straightforward as he or she is appearing to be. Definitely there is more to him or her. Okay, so just keep your eyes and ears and all your senses open before taking any action or before taking plunge. Okay, yeah, very very loud and clear message coming through, and an energy that's making me really uneasy. Okay, Pisceans, if at all this is matching with you and you're listening to this, please listen carefully. Okay, your output is that of High Priestess, your own energy. This is a Piscean energy. Yeah, so someone out there might be yeah, I this definitely makes sense, guys. Your intuition is giving you some red flags. It is warning you, okay, for someone out there. It definitely is giving you strong red flags, and now it is confirmed, okay. You please to listen to it, you be careful, okay. Do not by any chance ignore the red flags if you see any, and please listen to your intuition. It is guiding you very very clearly, okay. Maybe this reading, if you are watching this, then this also is a message for you, and it's not to be ignored, okay, Pisceans. Some of you guys might be consulting a tarot reader or astrologer for seeking guidance, maybe to know what's going to come out of this situation, or whether will work out or not, okay. Those kind of things, okay. But someone's intuition is definitely speaking loudly. Ace of Cups, yes, someone is definitely going to offer his or her cup. Now this need not be the same energy, this could be some other energy as well, but romance definitely is in cards for some of you guys. There's a lot of fire, there is a lot of passion. One more thing, guys, someone might also start or might also begin some creative projects, okay. Some creative projects, or someone might enter into a spiritual path, okay. That's also what I'm getting. Start meditating. Someone might be starting meditation and watching spiritual videos, okay. That's also what I'm getting very very strongly. Yeah, yeah. Self love is what I'm getting over here. Someone might be indulging into that, which is a very good thing. But anyway, either ways, there is definitely new beginning, new romantic beginning, new passionate beginning. This could be professionally or personally, okay. Again, your own energy, Hanged Man, Piscean energy again. So guys, this it's really a time to take stock of the situation. Look at the situation from different perspective. Maybe you are looking at the situation with one track mind, and you are actually missing out on important point, okay, which is like literally right in your face, but you're not seeing it, okay. That's what I'm getting, guys. So definitely a shift of perspective and unbiased approach is needed over here, is what the angels are saying. There is one angel around you, and it is actually kind of your own spirit guide, probably, or your own guardian angel is actually giving you a lot of hints. It's for you to see or pick those hints, guys, okay. That's what is coming through very 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 strongly, okay. Yeah, and karmic events, like I said, it's indicated by this death card also. Scorpion energy over here. Someone is going through major transformation. There could be a lot of conflicts. Some of you guys might be dealing with a lot of verbal spat also with someone, and you might be getting or entering into arguments. I also feel that there could be a lot of negative energy around you, okay. Someone who is really really very jealous about you, and that's why entering into arguments. Just don't participate in anyone's such energy, okay. Just do not participate. Definitely a major shift or major transformation time for some of you guys, okay. Yeah, yes, major transformations for some of you guys. I also feel, because there is this 10 of pentacles also over here, I also feel that there could be a death in the family, and you could be the legal heir of the inherited or inheritance property, okay. That's also what I'm getting very very specific. Here I'm not scaring anyone or anything. It's a very specific message, and please ignore it if it's not applicable to you. But in someone's case, there is physical transition involved, and that could be the major event, major karmic event for you guys. And yeah, these two cards are definitely signifying that, and this card club with it, you definitely will be the legal heir or receiver of the inherited property or whatever the positions are, okay. Some of you guys might get lot of abundance, lot of money. You might get promotion, or you might get awards, rewards, recognition at your workplace. If you are into business, your business might reap lot of profits, okay? But yes, you are in for a lot of abundance through some form, Pisceans, okay? And if that happens, if this comes true, do let me know. I'll be really really curious to know what it is, okay? Yeah. Let's pull one card from this beautiful deck, guys. Your hard work is paying off. That's good to know. Uh, you're good to enough. That's also a good reminder. At the bottom of the deck is your commitment is tested. Yes, someone definitely is going through. See, karmic events are never easy to deal with. Okay, they actually kind of make you question so many things, and they actually can burn you out and can test your patience and resilience. So that is probably what is happening with you guys. But remind yourself that you are good enough. Okay, you are good enough no matter what. Okay, just no matter what. And for some of you guys, your hard work is definitely going to pay off in the right sense. Okay, you will be rewarded. Your hard work will be rewarded is what I'm getting over here. Yeah, I'm very sure you're someone out there is going to receive a lot of money. Please tell me one message for my Pisces from this beautiful deck. Not the right time. Okay, do not enter into do not enter into any conflicts, Pisces, basically. Okay, try to reach for peaceful resolution. Okay, because remember, the while pre-shuffling also, the cards that had popped out were no and unlikely. So please don't get into unnecessary hassles. Okay, just go for peaceful resolution. Success is going to be yours. Okay, you'll succeed at the end of whatever this situation is. Okay, yeah. Hmm. This is good to know. Success definitely is there for someone right in the face, in terms of career. Okay, and otherwise also, if you're going through any challenging situation, you will succeed, albeit you treat very carefully and very smartly. You don't enter into any arguments. Okay, just let go of any negativity. You don't have to participate, and you don't have to win all the battles, especially the verbal ones. Okay, those are really ugly. So just choose your peace, and that will actually be the right thing to do. That will take you towards success is what I'm getting over here. A very different reading, guys, with different set of energies. And yeah, I would definitely like to know what's up with you, Pisceans. Okay, so I'll leave it at that, Pisceans. I'll see you next month directly. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.